Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description. To begin with, ensure you have the necessary tools at hand. A set of Torx spanners, specifically T10 and T15, a Phillips screwdriver, and a soft brush for cleaning. Keeping everything organized will make the process smoother. First, unplug your DYSON SV14 to ensure safety. Once unplugged, let's remove the main body. Start by unscrewing the screws located at the base of the handle using the T10 Torx spanner. Carefully detach the handle to access the internal components. Next, locate the motor housing. You will see another set of screws securing the motor in place. Use the T15 Torx spanner here. Remove these screws and take your time to ensure nothing gets stripped. As you proceed, take a moment to clean any dust buildup around the motor area with your soft brush. It is crucial to maintain a clean environment for your new motor to function properly. If you find that the cleaning feels overwhelming, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the assistance you need. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Note the orientation of the motor for easy installation of the new one. Before proceeding, check for any additional wear or damage to other internal parts. Now is the ideal time to address those issues. Now, take your new replacement motor. When installing it, ensure it fits snugly into the housing, following the same orientation as the original. Carefully replace the screws using your T15 spanner. Remember, do not over-tighten them, as this could damage the casing. Next, reattach the main body of the DYSON. Align it correctly and insert the screws. For optimal performance, double-check all connections are secure, especially the ones leading to the motor. In case you feel uncertain about performing the replacement yourself, consider our collection and delivery service at your home for convenience. Just arrange a time that suits you, and we'll handle everything else. Now, we will run a few tests to ensure everything is working correctly. Plug in your DYSON SV14 and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds that could indicate a problem with the installation. If you hear odd noises or if the vacuum does not function as expected, do not hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. No calls, no travel. Everything can be managed online at your convenience. Upon confirming everything operates smoothly, clean the exterior and ensure the filters are in place. Regular maintenance will prolong the life of your DYSON. Finally, remember to dispose of the old motor responsibly, as electronic waste should be recycled properly. This marks the end of your motor replacement journey, and your vacuum should be as good as new. Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description.